travel beyond the stars and unlock the mysteries of the universe.
In the endless, silent theater of the cosmos, we often gaze up, feeling infinitesimally small. But what if I told you that our sense of scale, our very understanding of size, is about to be shattered? Forget everything you thought you knew about cosmic giants. We are about to journey to the edge of reality, to meet a titan so immense it defies comprehension. For centuries, humanity has charted the heavens, from the naked-eye observations of ancient astronomers to the powerful lenses of modern telescopes. Our sun, a star we call Sol, was once our benchmark for grandeur, fiery god in the sky. It's 1,000,000 times larger than Earth, a truly staggering thought. Then we discovered others, stars like Sirius, gleaming brightly in our night sky, turned out to be nearly twice the sun's size. We felt we were beginning to grasp the scale of the universe. We met Arcturus, a red giant 36 times wider than our sun. Then came Raishal, a blue supergiant in Orion, nearly 80 times the sun's diameter. Each discovery pushed the boundaries of our imagination. We felt a sense of cosmic vertigo. The journey led us to Betelgeuse, a star so large that if it replaced our sun, its surface would engulf the orbits of Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and even the asteroid belt, possibly reaching Jupiter. We thought we had found the ultimate colossal star, but the universe, in its infinite mystery, had other plans. The history of astronomy is a history of shattered assumptions. Just as Copernicus dethroned Earth from the center of the universe, each new discovery of a larger star dethroned our previous champion. This isn't just a list of big objects, it's a philosophical journey. It forces us to confront the idea that our perspective is inherently limited. What does size even mean in a universe where space itself can bend and stretch? Are these stars just physical objects, or are they something more? Ancient cultures saw them as divine beings, celestial entities with consciousness and purpose. The esoteric traditions of Hermeticism and Gnosticism spoke of stars as archons, cosmic governors shaping destinies. Could there be a forgotten wisdom in these ancient myths? When we look at a star like UY Scuti, currently one of the largest known stars, we are not just seeing a ball of gas. Its diameter is estimated to be 1,700 times that of our sun. If you were to fly a commercial airplane around its equator, the journey would take over 1,000 years. Light itself, the fastest thing in the universe, would take hours to circle it, compared to just 14 seconds for our sun. This isn't just a difference in number, it's a difference in reality. Let's try to truly feel this scale. Imagine our sun is a single grain of sand. On this scale, Earth would be a microscopic speck of dust, invisible to the naked eye. UY Scuti, in this same analogy, would be a sphere over 10 meters or 33 feet in diameter, a colossal boulder of light and fire next to which our sun is utterly insignificant. This scale breaks our minds. But what if it's meant to? Perhaps the universe uses these impossible scales to communicate a deeper truth. The mystic might argue that these hypergiants are not just astronomical curiosities, they are cosmic chakras, energy centers of the galaxy. Just as our bodies have points of concentrated life force, perhaps the Milky Way has these stellar These stars burn with such intensity Their lives are so brief and violent that they enrich the entire galaxy with heavy elements when they die. They are the alchemists of the cosmos, transmuting simple hydrogen into the very stuff of life. Are they conscious of their role? Do they intentionally seed the universe with the potential for planets and people? This is where science and mysticism begin to blur. Modern physics tells us a star's size is limited by the Eddington limit, the point where the outward pressure of its radiation balances the inward pull of its own gravity. If a star gets too big, it literally tears itself apart. This is a neat, clean, scientific explanation. But does it capture the whole story? Or is it just the part of the story our current tools allow us to see? The universe has a habit of revealing new physics just when we think we have it all figured out. What if the largest stars are gateways, portals to other dimensions, or realities, as some esoteric theories propose? Their immense gravity warps space-time so profoundly that perhaps the laws of physics as we know them begin to fray at their edges. Could a civilization far more advanced than our own harness the power of such a star, not for energy, but for travel not through space, but between universes? It sounds like science fiction, but the line between fiction and future discovery is constantly being redrawn. Consider this. We can only observe stars within our cosmic light cone, the part of the universe from which light has had time to reach us. Statistically, it is almost a certainty that larger, more mind-boggling stars exist beyond our current observational horizon. Perhaps there are stars the size of entire nebulae, or even small galaxies, objects that operate under principles of physics we have yet to even dream of. This leads us to a profound, open-ended question. Is there a maximum possible size for a star in the universe? Science currently says yes, based on our understanding of stellar physics. But is this an absolute, universal law? Or is it just a local rule for our corner of the cosmos? What if, in other parts of the universe, the fundamental constants of nature are slightly different? Could that allow for the existence of stars that would make UY Scuti look like a tiny spark? This isn't just an astronomical debate. It touches upon the very nature of existence. Our search for the largest star is, in a way, a reflection of our own search for meaning and limits in a seemingly infinite reality. Each time we find a bigger star, we expand our own conceptual universe. We are forced to grow, to adapt our understanding, and to remain humble in the face of cosmic majesty. Perhaps the true largest star is not a physical object at all. Maybe it is a metaphor for the boundless potential of consciousness, or the infinite nature of the universe itself. The Gnostics believed the true universe was a realm of pure spirit, and our physical world was just a shadow. In that context, the physical size of a star would be a mere illusion, a pale reflection of a much grander spiritual reality. So, as we stand on our tiny planet and look up at the stars, let's remember that we are part of this grand, mysterious dance. The universe is not just a collection of facts and figures. It is a source of wonder, a canvas for our imagination, and a mirror reflecting our deepest questions. The largest star might be out there, waiting to be discovered, or it might be a concept we have yet to unlock, a new way of seeing that will forever change our place in the cosmos. What do you think? Is there a physical limit? Or is the universe truly infinite in its possibilities? The conversation doesn't end here. It begins in the comments below. Share your theories, your questions, your sense of wonder. If this journey through cosmic scale and mystery has sparked your curiosity, please hit that like button, share this video with someone who loves to think big, and subscribe for more explorations into the known and the unknown. Thank you for watching.